In this video, I'll show you how to change frame rate for on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, once you start a project and the frame rate has already been set, it's impossible to change the frame rate. You realize you click on this project, you click on modify. Once you click on this, you realize the frame rate cannot be changed once it's been set. Now, the most advisable way to do it, you're going to click on Command N, and we're going to name this 2. And we're going to come to use custom settings. And here we're going to change the frame rate before we even start the project. So you can change it to whichever frame rate that you want. Now, once you set the frame rate, you're going to click on OK. So now you have a duplicate of this project with a different frame rate. Now you're going to come to the first project. You're going to double click. And once you double click, you're going to select all of the files under here. You're going to press Command C to copy the files. And you're going to double click on the second project. And here you're going to paste in the files here. And once you paste it in, you should have the same files that you have in the first project in the second project. Now, for you to have to synchronize the speed of the files to match the frame rate, you're going to select all the files that are in the new project, and you're going to click on this icon here, and you're going to click on automatic speed, and automatically it's going to adjust your files to match this frame rate. Now, that's how to change frame rates in Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.